How to batch configure ONUs via CMS. First, create some profiles for demonstration. WANG profile, we name it TS1 WANG. Add VLAN with ID 300. Choose Internet as service type. Enable DHCP in IPv4 configuration mode, and bind LAN 1, SSID 1, 2.4G, and SSID 1, 5G. Turn to Wi-Fi profile, named TS1 Wi-Fi. Configure Wi-Fi basic information. Choose 2.4G band, set Wi-Fi name and password. Next to 5G band, select SSID number 1, set Wi-Fi name. Configure authentication and encryption modes based on specific requirements, recommended to keep the defaults. Next, VoIP profile, named TS1 VoIP. Configure the voice server's IP address. Utilize the composite profile to combine these profiles for one-click deployment. Name it and select the 3 profiles created earlier. Click Confirm to complete. Proceed to apply the composite profile to target ONUs. Access the distribution page. Click Add. Filter target ONUs by group, vendor, model, description, MAC, firmware, etc. Here, filter ONUs with MAC address, and check the device that need configuration. Choose the composite profile. Click Perform to initiate batch deployment. You can see that configuration status has changed to configuring, meaning that configuration is in progress. After a moment, status changing to success indicates that the configuration is successful. Next, we need to check whether the profile has been issued successfully. Enter the ONU list page, click Details to enter the device details page, and click Configuration. You can see, in WANG configuration, a new one has been added with VLAN ID 300 and type Internet. The name and password of 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi have been configured successfully. The corresponding server address has been configured for VoIP.